In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Windows 10 or Windows 11 login pin. So with the Windows 10 or Windows 11 login pin, you're able to log into your Windows using pin instead of password. However, if you want to remove the pin from logging into your Windows computer, here is a video for you. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And the first thing we want to do, we want to remove Windows 10 or Windows 11 pin or login pin is to click on the start button. Now come here and select settings. Once you select settings, on the left side, locate account and click on that. Once you click on account, scroll down and you want to click on sign in options. Then once you selected that, here locate the pin here, and here you can either change the pin or remove the pin. Now since we want to remove the sign in pin option on your Windows, click on remove. And then you see, are you sure you want to remove this pin? Having a pin makes it to send to your Windows, make payments according to apps and services. If you are using Face ID fingerprint, they will stop working if you remove the pin. Then go ahead and click on remove. Then you should see a pop that says, please verify your account password. Go ahead and type in your password and then click on OK. Then once the password is confirmed, you should see the pin removed on your Windows computer. So this is how you can easily remove pin sign-in option on Windows 10, 11, 8, and 7. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.